What tools will you need to build our TikTok clone? You'll need to have Node.js installed. You can grab that at nodejs.org. I'd recommend you grab the long-term support version of Node. And when you install Node, you'll get the package manager npm. It's going to allow us to install all of our dependencies for our project. We're going to need a good code editor. I'd recommend Visual Studio Code. You can get that at code.visualstudio.com. You can download the version that's appropriate for your system, entirely free. In a couple of videos, I'll show you how to set up VSCode for React development. It's going to help you speed up development time for this project and future projects a lot, so definitely check that out. And finally, we're going to be using the backend Firebase. You're just going to need to have a free Google account for this. We're not going to be using a paid tier of Firebase, and you can head to Firebase by going to firebase.google.com. And from there, you'll sign into the console using your Google account. From there, you'll be able to create projects, manage them, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So that's everything that we need to make this TikTok clone. And in the next step, we'll see how to grab the starting code for our project.